family. Welcome to the channel. My name is Junior Everett III, if this is your first visit. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Magical Butter Machine, along with the accessories that come along with it and others that I've purchased separately. Now, we use the Magical Butter Machine inside the shop to produce our plant-based tinctures and oils, but it's also a tool that I use personally for personal use, and I have one of my own to create my medicine that we do not manufacture with the brand, if you know what I mean. We don't manufacture with the brand, so therefore it's a product that I highly recommend to you for your do-it-yourself, make it at home apothecary projects. It's a great option for creating herbal tinctures, cannabis butter, oils, etc. All right, so with that said, let's jump into it. Here we have the 100% magical spatulas, and as you can see, why do I feel like Vanna White or those ladies on The Price is Right? Like just all right. So I don't know. In my head, that's how I'm feeling. So y'all gotta flow with me. That's how I'm feeling right now. So as you can see, it comes with a 3-pack. There's the full size, the mini size, and the small size. Now, what I love is the fact that they're silicone, which makes them great for mixing and scraping over metal pots and pans. All right, how's my Vanna White? Next, we have the magical measuring cups. All right, my Vanna White is sucking, right? Okay, so next we have the magical measuring cups. Again, it's 100% silicone. It comes in 3 different volumes. You have the half cup, which equals 4 ounces. You have the 1 cup, which is 8 ounces. And you have a 2 cup that equals 16 ounces. What I love about these is not only are they made out of a heat-resistant silicone, which makes them microwavable safe and ideal for hot, melted liquid, they're also squeezable. You see? So you can kind of grip them with a squeeze and pour for less of a mess of a spill. I like that. It's pretty cool. All right. Moving along, we have the magical gummy trays. They come in a 2-pack for your infused gummies, chocolates, hard candies, etc. Okay? Those be your gummy trays. Next, we have the magical butter tray. Now, this is for the cannabis in you, cannabis in you. I'm saying cannabis. The cannabis in you? All right. Those who know, know. All right. So, okay. Now, if you want to have the perfect cannabis butter for your edibles, these trays are what's up. All right. So each tray equals 4 ounces or 16 liquid ounces to give you the right size butter replacements for your infused edibles. Instructional videos will come at another time. But if you notice anytime if you're cooking cookies or something like that, well, just look at butter. Butter these are the same size trays, or these trays are the same size as your butter. All right. So I lost my point. As you can see, the tray comes with a sealed tight lid for airtight storage for your butters. All right. Kind of lost my point on that one. I got a lot of this stuff in my head. I'm really flowing with this, right? All right. So next up, we have the purified filter bag. This bag makes the process of straining your super hot and cold liquids easier. Now the machine comes with a 190 micron reusable bag, but you can also purchase from the website a 25 micron, a 73 micron, and a 220 micron purified filter bag for your smaller or larger straining needs. All right. Now, the thing to understand about the micron measurements is that it represents the filtering open. All right. Basically, these screens up in here. That's what it represents. All right. So to understand that, the smaller the number on the bag displayed, the smaller the openings on the screen will be. I'll say that again. To understand it, the smaller the number, you'll see the number here, see that 190? So the smaller that number, as I said, it goes down. The smaller that number on the bag, the smaller the openings on the screen will be. You got me? Allowing less solid particles to flow through, if that makes sense. Now the bag brings us to the magical glove. Oh Lord, please forgive this man that he has come into your church to blaspheme. His mind is filled with larceny. Have mercy on his soul.
Now sit down before I put this glove on your ass.
Y'all might not know that scene, but it's from Which Way Is Up with Richard Pryor. Anyways, you'll be straining super hot liquids through the purified bag. So this handy dandy glove will make squeezing those hot liquids safe and easy. And just as the other products, the glove is made of 100% silicone and has these raised nubs pattern design, which I guess makes it, not I guess, it makes it kind of easy to for a non-slip grip. Okay? So the last product that I'll be sharing before we unbox the Magical Butter Machine is the Magical D Carb Box. This is a food grade. I'm going to take it out. I'll go ahead and take it out because I just got this one in. So this is the Magical D Carb Box. This is a food grade silicone container used to safely activate your botanicals. cool thing about this box, it comes with a integrated digital thermometer to calibrate your oven for precise accuracy, which is useful when you're decarbing your herbs. But I plan to do a totally separate video for the use of this product. Put that back here. We'll put that back.